Hi everyone. So in this example, I want to give one more video about call by reference. So that is performing the swapping operation. See, suppose first execution starts from the main function. Here it is hash include stdio.h. Inside the main function, I am taking two variables. One is a with the value 10. Second one is a b with the value 20 I have taken. So main function will get memory and with the values a and b, 10 and 20, and here call by reference. So address is very important. Address 10 memory allocation at 2046 and b memory allocation 20 is at 4058. I just considered. Now call by value we are calling. This is call by reference. So address we are passing, not value. Before that we are just printing printf %d a comma b. Just like a before swap I am calling this one. Next we are calling that swap function but passing address of a, address of b, address of a, address of b. Here we are defining this swap function. Swap. Sir, what type of variable stores address? 2046 and 4058 pointers. Take two pointers. Here it is integer pointer x, comma integer pointer y. Here this is a swap function. Inside this x will get memory, that is 2046. Y will get memory, that is 4058. It's a pointer and it's a pointer. It is pointing to this and it is pointing to this. Simple one. Now observe. Whenever you are performing this operation, here pointer x swapping with the temporary variable. X is 2046. Pointer x means what? The value which is inside the 2046, 10. The 10 will store into one temporary variable, temp. So temp will get memory and 10 will store. Inside the swap function only, na? Local variable. Next, into pointer x, we are storing pointer y value. Look at this. Here y is a 4058. Pointer y means what? 20. 20 will come and store into pointer x means this is the location. Here the value will change. Next, temp value will store into pointer y. What is the temp value? 10. Will store into pointer y. Here 10. Here swapping completed. Once swapping completed, the control will go back. Here, whenever you are printing %d, now a comma b if you are printing. Before swap values 1020. Now after swap values are 2010. So this is how can we perform swapping through call by reference. Here how can you write the prototype? Void swap integer pointer comma integer pointer. That's all. Okay, hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.